Welcome! Today we're flying British Airways Business Class from London Heathrow to Barbados. Enjoy! Flights to Barbados depart from Heathrow Terminal 5. The South Fast Track is normally quite busy. Go to the North Fast Track to avoid queues. Long-haul flights depart from gates B and C. You can take a train or walk using the pedestrian underpass. Welcome to BA's T5B Business Class Lounge. This is my favorite lounge. It is significantly less busy than the other two in the main terminal. This lounge can only be used by passengers departing from gates B and C. This is a nice bar area which has a decent selection of wines and champagne. You can also find a good selection of spirits, including some premium labels. And of course, soft drinks in the fridge. The lounge is bright and spacious and features various seating areas. There is also a quiet area for those who want to relax or need to get some work done. Breakfast is served in the buffet section. There was yogurt, cereals, bread, cheese, pastries. A good variety of choices overall. It's now time to board the plane. Here we go. And this is my seat for the flight. The crew were very nice and attentive. One of them came to my seat to welcome me on board and offered me a glass of champagne. Here is also the Amenity Kit. We'll check what's inside later on. BA offers a good selection of drinks, including cocktails, spirits, beers, and non-alcoholic drinks. On this flight, lunch and a light meal before landing were served. BA has recently upgraded its catering proposition, so more options will be available.
Cabin crew doors to automatic and cross-check.
seat has this divider to make the seat a bit more private. This is the footrest, which can be deployed and adjusted after takeoff. The tray table is okay, although it's slightly unstable when you put something heavy on it, like the meal tray. There is some storage space here for smaller items, and here is the power socket. On the left hand side, you can find a USB port to charge your devices and this dated but functional remote to control your IFE. All the buttons to adjust your seat, and a very useful reading light which you can adjust. Here is my lunch. I went for the chicken curry, which was pretty tasty. The tray also came with bread and butter, a wasabi salad as a starter, cheese, and Italian tiramisu as dessert. Let's now have a look at this Amenity Kit by the White Company. Eye mask, a pair of comfortable socks, moisturizer, lavender perfume, earplugs, a dental kit, lip balm, and a pen. This is the business class headset, which is quite comfortable but not very noise cancelling. The IFE is very responsive and I like its interface. You can access the in-flight map, read BA's High Life magazine, and of course watch movies and TV shows. The selection of movies is okay. Some competitors have a wider selection of movies and series, but there were some new releases, so nothing to complain about. The pillow is big and plush. The pillowcase is soft and has the BA ribbon embroidered at the center. Here is the bedding pack by the White Company. Let's have a look. The pack contains a nice soft mattress and a blanket. More than enough to have a good rest in the skies. Afternoon tea was served 1 hour before landing. The chicken and prawn sandwiches were surprisingly delicious. BA scones are excellent, and they come with strawberry jam and clotted cream. What a great flight! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more content. See you next time!